All right, CSS Battle for June 16th. Timer just started. Okay. So there's a triangle on the bottom. I could do a radial gradient on the box and then just switch out the colors on the radial gradient. Or I could just do a couple elements and box shadow it. Let's try that. So I'm going to select my HTML as the background. It's going to be this red color. I'm going to try to make, am I going to do that? I'm going to try, I'm going to ignore the body because because the body wraps any other elements and making the other elements, if I have other elements, they're going to adjust the shape of or the size of the body. So I'm not going to use the body at all. I'm just going to select a paragraph, which doesn't exist yet, so I'll add the paragraph. Just I say I'll add a paragraph. Well, now I'll just add two, which possibly may confuse myself. We'll see. So the first paragraph is going to have padding of, I don't know, something like 50 and 75. It's going to have a background, it's white color. I'm going to have margin of, what that is, 30. No, not 30. 180. Not 1800. Then 30. Okay, try 190. 192. And that's too much padding. Be like 30. 30. Can't tell if that lines up or not, but the bottom's too big. Why is the bottom so big? Oh, that's not that. Duh. Okay, doing it completely backwards. And then that's going to be 60. That may be it. I don't know. Should be able to get rid of these two. I'm not changing it. All right, let's try that and see what happens. Although that's not tall enough, is it? 40 is tall enough. And then border. Size? It's been a minute since I've done this. 0, 0, 40 pixels, 40 pixels. So it's clearly not the right way to do it. Cheating momentarily. Yeah, so it's triangle. color that let's try this border, that color, solid 20 pixels. Border left, there's solid transparent. Righty. Right. I'm going to just copy paste from this here. Okay, there's a triangle of some sorts. Now I need it to be this color. And I need it to be much wider. That's making it taller. So margin was what, 198, 32, something like that. 92 maybe, and 28. That looks better. Let's make that big. That's too big now. Try 180. Still a little big. 170. 60. 160 looks a little small. 60 is small. And let's make it taller. 70, 80. Now it's a little thin. Nope, it's a little wide. That looks like it. I'm going to try to clean that up some because that's a lot of characters. Select my next paragraph. Need to use a plus. All right, this time I want to make a box. Adding 50. Background is the white color. Margin 0. Border 1. Minus 200. There it is. Okay. Need more padding. 80. It's going to be minus or 80 or 44. Nope, 34. 36. And then the padding, of course, is going to be 82. Because why not? It's going to be 28 because it lines up with the corner of the triangle. All right. Now I need one more element. Select it with plus P selector. It's going to have border radius of 50%. It's going to have a margin of -500. I should see it now, right? It's inheriting padding size. It should be somewhere. I'm going to cheat. Check this and start digging. Yeah, I added the element this time. Go check that. Document HTML body. There's my third paragraph tag. Is it just hiding in there? That doesn't make sense. Oh, there it is. It's way up there. Okay. So let's set it to 0. Still up there. Let's set it to 200. There it is. That was easy. All right. Padding 50. Margin's going to be 300 and 3, 2, 50, 40, 30. That's close. It's a little big. Padding's going to be 45. Hard to tell if that's right. 3, 10. Now so the all color. 231, 2, 8, 9, 3, 11, 3, 9. That looks right. And now box shadow minus 100 pixels 0, 50, 60, 5, 4. Need to give that a color, which is going to be that red color. That looks right. Let's submit. Okay, that's a match. So a few things that are obvious are that um, why did that change that? Oh, because it's not margined in. It's okay. It can be 0. Thought that could be 0. All right, so minus 436. Setting the top. Minus Okay, so this one actually is the one that needs to be 28. And this one can be 200. Now, I don't have the circle anymore. But why don't I have the circle anymore? Let's see where the circle is. It's somewhere. There's the circle. 60. And this is a pretty big number. 150. 0. 20. Oh, I'm thinking about this backwards again. There's close. Not on, but close. And then I can at least make adjustments. 76. 4. 2, maybe. 2. 30. 231. 2. 9. And then this is 1 off 71, 73. For about 17 minutes. Match again. Whoops. Okay. I'm going to call that good. Background, I only use once. Margin, border, padding. Variabilizing is not really going to help anything in this case, so I'm not going to worry with it. Not the best of scores today. Probably a better way to do the triangle. Maybe we'll revisit later. We'll see. But that's it for today.